Okay, the thickneys are coming back. Maybe we'll see it display again. There we go, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my word, I'm so happy they did it again for you all. Oh, that was incredible. These are the little things that make me so excited. Linda, that is so cool, isn't it? Really, really cool. And to see that sort of instinctual reaction by the thickneys, any sense of danger. And look how it moves through the water like that. The lizard itself wouldn't necessarily be able to kill something the size of a thickney, but it would be hunting for their eggs.